The slow cook function is specially designed to tenderize tougher cuts of meat and poultry. No preheating is required when using the slow cook mode. For best results, use a single rack in the center of the oven. To set the slow cook function on your slide-in range, turn the oven mode knob to select slow cook. High appears in the display. Press the plus or minus button to toggle the slow cook temperature between high and low. The set temperature for the low setting is 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The set temperature for the high setting is 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Both settings can be used for slow cooking up to 12 hours. Once your preferred slow cook temperature setting is selected, press start. When cooking is complete, or to cancel slow cook during use, turn the oven mode knob to the off position at any time. On a freestanding oven range, press the slow cook button to toggle between the high and low temperature settings. Be sure to use heat-proof gloves when removing hot items from the oven. The slow cook function is only available on some models. Visit LG.com to learn more.